Hello overcomers, have you been desiring to advertise your products but you don't have the camera, you don't even know where to start? Maybe sometimes you want to even start like affiliate marketing, you don't have the product to be able to advertise. I'm going to show you how you can use AI to create all of this. Can we just take a look at these videos?
Ever struggled with heat damage during your hair drying sessions? I found the perfect fix. The Eleganty Soft Bonnet Hood hairdryer attachment keeps heat away while I style. Get yours and enjoy damage-free, stylish locks.
The ABC coloring book is the perfect solution. With 100+ pages of animals, vehicles, and more, it makes learning enjoyable. Get it now to see your child's love for learning bloom.
Start your mornings with the VYOR 900W blender, turning possibility into reality. Enjoy nutrient-packed smoothies in seconds thanks to 6-blade tech and 22 Oz cups. Easy to clean, energizing, and convenient. Get yours for a vibrant start.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to create viral products like this. So you can use this method to advertise any kind of product. Maybe it's your own business, maybe you are an affiliate marketer and you are trying to advertise products. You can use it to advertise any product, and I'm going to show you how to use AI. So let me go ahead and show you exactly how to do it. So go down in the comment section down below and click on the first link down below, and it's going to bring you to this page. And when it brings you here, you just come here to get started. You click here like this, and then you come here. Since you don't have an account, you can just use your Google Mail to create an account, and then you go ahead, you use your Gmail and you create an account, and then you go ahead and you sign in. So you can decide to choose anyone here that meets your needs. Let's say a business owner, and then you go ahead and you continue, and then you choose anyone here, e-commerce, anyone is okay, it's perfectly okay. You just click, let's just take one, and then you click and continue. You are going to be using the videos. You can take anyone. You just take anyone like this. You continue. How did you hear about us? You just say you heard about us from YouTube or wherever you heard about them, and then you go ahead. It's going to bring you insight now like this. When you create an account, you are going to have 10 credit, and this 10 credit you are able to use it to practice with me. So now what you are going to do is that you just come here, you click here just like this. You can either upload information regarding the product you want to advertise right here, or you can put the link right here. So you can get a link from any of these places. So it could be from Amazon, it could be from Shopify, any place where you have your shop. It could be from the App Store, anywhere. So let's just go to Amazon and get a product. So we just come here and then we click here, take this product just like this. You paste the product on this link right here, and then you analyze it just like that. So you can come here and add a logo if you want to, and then or you can come here and edit all the images, all these images that are here. If you want to edit any, you can go ahead and edit. If you want to take out any, you just click like this and then you take it out. If you want to add some that you have on your computer, you just click here and add them. Now you come here. When you are done with that, you save your changes and then you go to the next. What will happen now here is that you have to pick your aspect ratio. Let's say you want to make it for a YouTube short or a TikTok video, any of those things. You click here, and then the length of your video is just going to be 15 seconds. You click here. If you want something longer, you click here. And if you want a YouTube video, you click here also. Now you just come here, change your language. Let's say you want any other language apart from English, you go ahead and choose it from here. When all of that is done, if you want to put your title here or your target audience, you go ahead and you click on next. So it's going to generate different scripts for you. So now look at different scripts that it has generated. Come here, you can, if you want to write your own script yourself, you click here and then you are able to type your script here. If not, you just look at these ones. If there is anything that you want to change, you just select like this and then you come here, you go ahead and edit the script. But if everything is okay, you just go ahead and click save. And now if you want more scripts, you just click here, generate more scripts, and then the AI is going to generate more scripts for you. So you see it's going to keep generating more. You just click like this, it's going to generate more scripts for you. And when you are done with that, you just click here to next. So it's going to bring you here now. You have all these different versions. If you want to change the avatar, you just come here, you go ahead and select anyone that you want. If you have a specific one, maybe you want your own photo, you can also upload it right here, or any other photo that you want to put, you just upload it here. And then now, or you choose anyone from here. So I'm okay with the one that we have, so I'm just going to leave it. If you want to change the voice, you also come here, click here, and then you can change the voice. Let's say we want to take Emily, so you can change the voice and take any voice that you want. If you want a different accent, you go ahead and choose the accent from here. If you want to make any edit, any changes, you just go ahead here. You can go ahead and make the changes here too. If you want to change something in the script, you click here and then you can edit it. Let's say for example you want to add a call to action, you can just come here and then click here and just put link in description or link in the bio. You just put anything here like this, and the color of the text that you see here on the screen is going to be white. If you want to change it, you go ahead and click here and change anything that you want. So everything is here. We can listen to it. Let's say for example we take this one and just listen.
Ever struggled with heat damage during your hair drying sessions? I found the perfect fix. The Eleganty Soft Bonnet Hood Hairdryer Attachment keeps heat away while I style. Get yours and enjoy damage-free stylish locks.
Can you imagine that, overcomers? So let's try this other one.
Ever struggled with heat damage during your hair drying sessions? I found the perfect fix. The Eleganty Soft Bonnet Hood Hairdryer Attachment keeps heat away while I style. Get yours and enjoy damage-free stylish locks.
So just like that. So you can just try all the other videos and see how they look. Don't worry about the mouth syncing. It's going to sync after you've rendered the video. When you are happy with everything, you just come here to render. So one thing that you have to know is that if you have the free version, when you render it, you are going to have watermarks. Let me just show you how that works. You are going to have watermarks like this.
It extracts essential nutrients, crushes ice for amazing frozen drinks, and is super easy to clean. Grab yours now. And
if you have the pay version, then you are going to render it and it's going to look like this. So overcomers, let's listen to the final product.
Ever struggled with heat damage during your hair drying sessions? I found the perfect fix. The Eleganty Soft Bonnet Hood Hairdryer Attachment keeps heat away while I style. Get yours and enjoy damage-free stylish locks.
Can you imagine that? This is amazing. Go ahead and start advertising your products, advertising your books, so you have the ability to be able to easily advertise your books, easily advertise your products. So I wish you all the best on your journey. You can create things like this, put on your website to advertise your product. If you don't have a website, you can use my Shopify link down below, and you are going to pay just $1 for the next 3 months. If you are here for the first time, welcome to the family. I'm so blessed to have you. Check out the description box down below for any information. If you want personal coaching, if you want one-on-one coaching, just check out the description box. Check out my website, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Love you all so much.
It's been a while since we laid down to reflect upon